Pull out the headrest. Put on the seat cover. Pull down the seat cover and tidy it up. Tuck the clasp into the seat seam. Place the cushion and cover it. Tuck the clasp into the seat seam. Hooks into the underside of the seat. Zip up the seat cover. Insert headrest. Zip it up. Zip it up. Put on a pillowcase. Insert the buckle. Install luxury headrests. Zip up the backrest. Put seat covers on the rear seats. Pass through the headrest and secure in place. Tuck the clasp into the seat seam. Tuck the clasp into the seat seam. Install the center headrest cover. Put the cushion cover on the seat. Place the cushion and cover it. Stick it on. Tuck the clasp into the seat seam. Tuck the clasp into the seat seam. Lift up the seat. Pull down the snap. Secure the buckle by threading it through the strap. Secure the buckle by threading it through the strap. Lower the seat. Installation complete.